Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you guys simple and easy delicious pecan pie, so please stick around and watch this video. Ingredients needed to make this pecan pie: we're gonna need 1 cup of light corn syrup, we're gonna need 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and we got 1.5 cup of pecan halves. So these are our ingredients. You're also gonna need a 9-inch deep dish pie, frozen. First, I'm gonna start by beating the eggs. You want to beat this for at least 4 to 5 minutes until everything is combined or well beaten. Now that the eggs are beaten, I'm going to add the brown sugar. And I'm also gonna add 1 cup of the light corn syrup. I'm gonna put 1 cup of this. Okay, 1 cup. Now we're going to combine everything together. We're going to mix this. I'm gonna add the vanilla extract and also the melted butter. And if you're using unsalted butter, you can go and add a teaspoon of salt, but I'm using salted butter, so I don't need to add any salt. Now I'm just gonna add the pecans. See, it's simple and easy. You can never go wrong. Simple and easy. Now that we're finished making our pecan custard, we're gonna go ahead and blind bake or power bake our pie crust. So you want to go ahead and insert a parchment paper inside, or maybe a foil, and add some pie weights to it, just like this. You can use beans or dried peas if you want, if you don't got any pie weights. So now we're just gonna insert this into the oven for 20 minutes. After power baking your pie crust for about 20 minutes, you want to go ahead and make it cool, because you don't want to insert the filling inside the hot crust. And now we're just going to add the filling inside the crust, because I let mine cool all the way. Beautiful. So I'm adding everything, and I'm just gonna put 3 pecans on top like this. You know, And now I'm just going to put this into the oven to bake for about 40 to 45 minutes and 250 degrees. When you take out when the pie is done, you're not supposed to see any jiggly into it. It's supposed to be firm. There you have it, guys, my pecan pie. 35 to 45 minutes into the oven, and there you have it, this beautiful pecan pie, guys. If you already reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.